Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and in this video we are going to learn how to use the Layers Selector on our Wix site. To do that, we need to go here over to the top right, and then we are going to click on Edit Site. There we go. Now, to use the Layers Selector, we need to go to the lower left of the screen, here where it says Layers, and if we click, it will open the layer window, and we can select the different components of our site. For example, if we select the header, it will be selected on the edition screen. If we choose the Wix site search, it will do so as well, the image. And this will also work if we go and switch to the mobile. For example, we can select, as you can see, the header, mobile menu icon, image, and the mobile box menu as well, for example. There we go. We're going to close it. So that's it. We have learned how to use the Layers Selector on our Wix site in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.